The flyer of the Wright brothers was made out of fir and ash tree wood, and some parts out of iron. Its wings were covered with muslin fabric, but it was in 1906 when he built an amazing airplane, which he named 14 Bis. With a T shape, it was made out of fabric and bamboo, and contained an engine of 24 horsepower. On the 23rd of October that year, he was able to rise and travel 220 meters in 21 seconds. On the 12th of November, Dumont, along with the future aviation celebrities Blériot and Voisin, participated in the aviation awards of the French Aero Club and were given the first prize. He published his designs so that the public could have access to them. He is considered as one of the greatest pioneers of aviation, and he was the first pilot to take off from his own efforts.